guys, myself Preeti Shah from Government Autonomous Ayurvedic College, Jabalpur. Today I am here to explain about month-wise development of embryo. So without wasting time, let's start. It could be divided into two phases: embryonic phase, fetal phase. Embryonic phase 1 to 4 week development. Length of embryo 0.6 cm. Fertilization occur in the fallopian tube and resultant zygote contains all the genetic information to become a baby. 5 to 8 weeks development. Length 3 cm. Weight 1 gram. Week 5th is the true start of the embryonic period. This is when all the baby's major system and structure develop. Blood cells, kidney cells and nerve cells all develop. The embryo grows rapidly and baby's external features begin to develop. Baby's brain, spinal cord and heart begin to develop. GIT also starts to form. Arm and leg buds start to grow at the week of 6th or 7th. Brain forms into 5 different areas. Eyes and ears begin to form. Tissues grow and will become baby's spine and other bones. Baby's heart continues to grow and now beats at the regular interval. This can be seen only by vaginal ultrasound. By the 8th week, hands and feet begins to form and looks like little pedals. Baby continues to grow and lungs start to form. Fetal phase 9 to 12 week development. Length 7.5 cm. Weight nearly 30 gram. At this period, baby is no longer an embryo. It is now a fetus. Arm grows, elbows develop, baby's toes and can be seen. Nipple and hair follicles form. All baby's insertion organs have begun to grow. By 10th week, eyelids are more developed and begin to close and will not reopen until 28th week. Baby's face is well developed. Limbs are long and thin. Nails appear and on fingers and toes. Genital organs appear. The head is very large, about half of the baby's size. Red bone marrow, spleen and liver participate in blood cell formation. 13 to 16 week development. Length 18 cm. Weight nearly 100 gram. The little one can now make a feast. Tooth buds appear for the baby teeth. Head is relatively smaller than the rest of body. Eyes and ear move to their final position. Lower limbs lengthens. Fetus appears even more human-like. Muscle, tissues and bone keep developing. Rapid development of body system occurs. 17 to 20 week development. Length 25 to 30 cm. Weight 200 to 450 gram. Eyebrows, head and hairs are visible. The baby can hear. At this stage, skin is almost transparent. Fine hairs called lanigo develops on baby's head. Baby begins to move and stretch. As baby continues to move and float around, the mother may feel a fluttering in the lower abdomen. This is called quickening when mother can feel baby's first movement. 21 to 25 week development. Length 35 cm nearly. Weight 550 to 800 grams. Head becomes even more proportionate to rest of the body. Lanular hair covers baby's entire body. By the 22nd week, baby's first bowel movement is made in the GIT. Nails grow to the end of the baby's finger. Bone marrow begins to make blood cells. The lower airways of baby's lung develop. Baby begins to store fat. 26 to 29 week development. Length 32 to 42 cm. Weight 1100 to 1350 gram. Head and body are more proportionate. Baby's brain grows rapidly and nervous system is developed enough to control body function. Baby's eyelid can open and close. Many fetus born prematurely during the end of this period survive if given intensive care because respiratory system produces surfactant. This substance helps in air sac fill with air. Also because lungs can provide adequate ventilation and CNS is developed to control breathing and body temperature. 30 to 34 weeks development. Length 41 to 45 cm. Weight 2 to 2.3 kg. Baby grows quickly and gains a lot of fat. Skin is pink and smooth. Fetus assumes upside down position. Pupillary reflex is present at 30 weeks. Testes begin to descend towards scrotum at the 28 to 32 weeks. Thymus gland is fully developed. Rhythmic breathing starts, but baby lungs are not fully matured. Bones are fully developed but are still soft. 35 to 38 weeks development. Length 50 cm. Weight 3200 to 3500 gram. Baby keeps gaining weight due to fat. Skin is usually bluish pink. Baby has definite sleeping patterns. Testes are usually in the scrotum. Muscles and bones are fully developed. Baby's heart and blood vessels are complete. Lenigo is gone except for the upper arms and shoulder by the week of the 38th. Small breast buds on both sexes. In 40th week of pregnancy, it has been 38th week since could be born any day now. Even after birth, an infant is not completely developed. An additional year is required, especially for complete development of nervous system. Thank you.